Hi everyone! So today I wanted to film an exciting video. I have never tried to make this recipe before or have even really gone that crazy with my coffee, so I'm very excited to be making the Starbucks pumpkin cold brew. It'll be interesting because, as you can see, I'm in a dorm room, so I do not have a kitchen. I only have some supplies. Good thing this recipe doesn't take a whole lot of work because I just have to put some ingredients together, but it will be a little bit challenging just because there's something different about a kitchen. Before I start this recipe and today's video, I wanted to insert a few things. The first thing is this package that I got sent from Amazon from the Delivering Smiles program, so I wanted to go ahead and insert what they sent me and just wanted to say thank you for Amazon at Home for sending me this package. It was so sweet, it literally made my day. So I'll go ahead and insert that here. Hi guys, I don't know what vlog this is going in, but I wanted to film it. A month ago, this account emailed me and they said they work with Amazon and that they run a Delivering Smiles campaign, and so they wanted to send me a box to deliver me a smile. So we're gonna open it together. I'm so nervous. Okay, I literally just drove home, so that's kind of why I'm a little sweaty and not my best. I didn't open it. I'm like gonna pee my pants. Guys, I can't. What if this is like about to be a, like that one Brad Pitt movie where it gets a box? The first thing that they sent me is this mood light alarm clock, which is really cool. Oh, and there's nature sounds. So then they sent me this little basket, which I'm assuming is like a shower caddy. It's like a green color. Then I got this little lap desk, which it says it's a compact lap desk. Then there's a box, which I'm nervous. So this is my Amazon box. Hi Hadley, we saw that you were headed back to college, so we wanted to send you a few things to help you get ready for a great year ahead. Your friends at Amazon? This is a Metro mug, lock and lock, BPA free, hot and cold, no sweat. I love this color. It's a mug. So this is what the box looks like. Thank you so much, Amazon, for sending me this. I'm like dying. This is so cool. Okay. Here is the lavender sage diffuser. It is so pretty. I love the packaging of it. That's it. Back to the video. Second is a reminder to support your local library, and this is the book I'm currently reading, A Court of Wings and Ruin. So this is a part of the Court of Thorns and Roses series. It's a little bit graphic at some parts, so just a disclaimer, but one of the best book series plots I've ever read, so I'm super excited to be reading this one now. That's just like a little shout out. Moving on, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it and just try to make this recipe. We will see how it goes. I'm not really sure. I haven't like read up on the recipe, so we're kind of just gonna wing it and try to do as good as we can. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and show you guys the ingredients that I have. So I got cold brew, I got pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, 2% milk, even though I'm usually an almond milk person, but 2% milk froths better, so I wanted to like do as good as I could for this video. I think I also will be using honey for this video, just as like a sweetener. There might be something else I'm forgetting, but I will definitely explain it in more detail when we do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up for this recipe, and we're just gonna get right into it. This is gonna be interesting. Sorry about the lighting. I can't control the weather, but that's the only lighting that I have in this place. Also, recipes are not my expertise, so give me some grace if this is your first video you're watching of me. First step, make your iced coffee / cold brew. I just can't make my cold brew in this place, so I just decided to pick one up. Since I live in a college town, iced coffee is gone from most stores around, so this was the only cold brew that I could find. I was gonna get the Starbucks cold brew since we're making a Starbucks pumpkin cold brew, but this is as good as I could get. So I got the Califia Blonde Roast Cold Brew, mellow and bright. So this is what I'm gonna be using. So take 1.5 cups of my cold brew coffee. Oh no. Oh, that's scary. Using educated guesses. About like that. That's how much we filled up our jar. I'm so stressed about getting this right that I probably won't even be talking very much. Now, we're going to make the cold foam. So I bought this on Amazon for like less than $15. You guys can also get one. It just comes with batteries, so hopefully this will work. Okay, milk, maple syrup, which I'm using honey, pumpkin puree, vanilla, which I don't have, pumpkin spice, and salt. So I think they're talking about sea salt, but I got some salt. I might put a few little grains in here. Okay, so take the milk, which it wants a 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of milk. Next is take a 1/2 teaspoon of honey. I bought this whole jar of pumpkin puree and I only need a 1/2 teaspoon. Ew, there's like liquid. Okay. I used to work at this ice cream shop. We would make pumpkin spice tornadoes, basically. And we had this jar of pumpkin puree, and every time I opened it, I was just like, ugh. This is how I feel right now. I don't like the idea of pumpkin puree, but pumpkin things taste really good. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Don't have that. I would say many college kids don't own that. It's expensive too. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And this was like $4 for these little spices. I think it's because it's in season, but still, that's like really expensive. So. Now, I'm gonna bring you guys in closer to watch me froth it. I think I added everything. Oh, my salt. People are really gonna be like, you cannot use regular salt for this. But I am. So we have our coffee and we have this. So I'm gonna take my frother and I've never used actual milk whenever making coffee to froth. Always use creamer or like almond milk. So I'm very interested to see how much more frothy it gets. Something got in my frother. So this was like right here. Now it's all the way up to here. So just to show you, my cheap frother worked. It does. Last year I didn't have a fridge with a freezer, so I'm actually really excited to be using ice cubes. I bought this silicone tray from Target. It was like $2 or something really cheap. So I'm just gonna put some of these in there. These make it a lot easier to get the ice cubes out. Oh, I need to put this back. Spoon the pumpkin foam on top. I don't have any plastic spoons, so we're gonna knife it. Okay, wait. Why does this look like it? As you can see, the pumpkin foam. And then as a finishing touch, we're gonna take this and sprinkle it on top. There we go. It's a little clustered, I know, but it's hard to get that to come out. But this is the pumpkin cold brew. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. So it's definitely not sweet enough. I think the vanilla they added really makes the cold foam sweet, and I didn't add that. It's not bad, but it's no Starbucks pumpkin cold brew. I think I'm just missing like sugar, because I did everything very naturally. It makes me sad. I was hoping it would work really well. I will link the recipe that I followed down below. They used maple syrup and a vanilla syrup in the coffee before and in the cold foam, so I think that made it a lot sweeter. I can taste the pumpkin, but like a very natural pumpkin. Like it tastes very naturally pumpkin flavored, unlike the Starbucks that can make it like more dessert pumpkin. That type of pumpkin, like really sweet. This tastes very earthy pumpkin. Yeah, so now I have to clean all this mess up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like super what I usually post, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit different content for the fall season. So I have a haul coming up, a sponsored haul, hopefully. I'm not gonna say who with because I don't know if it'll get approved or whatever, you know, things can happen, but I have a haul coming for you guys. I'm hoping to make it to Trader Joe's sometime next week or the week after to film a grocery and fall haul, so stay tuned for that. Also, I ordered some stuff from Shein, some fall stuff, so I'll also have a fall haul for that. So stay tuned, please subscribe and like this video if you guys want to see those videos, and turn on your post notification if you want to know whenever I post those hauls coming up. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @HadleyBF. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and comment down below any videos you guys want to see. I see a lot of you guys on campus and I love that you guys watch my videos. It makes me so happy, and I mean to ask every person like, well, what do you want to see? But I get so much stage fright when people say, do you make YouTube? I'm just like, yeah, I do. And then I don't really know what to say. But please comment down below some videos you guys would like to see, because I'm kind of just making what I think you'll want to see, but you guys might want to see something completely different. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bruh. I think I solved the problem.